Okay, so I found the trick to activate AT&T service on the Nothing Phone 3A. So I had a couple of comments down here in the comment section. Let me show you. So if you go to my video here where I describe, will the Nothing Phone 3A work with USA carriers? There's a comment down here. This one is asking for Verizon, and I'll walk you through the Verizon setup. But there's a little trick here to get it working with AT&T. So this person, I just replied to them and a couple others. So he asks, has anyone actually activated the 3A with AT&T? If so, how? I got mine today and went to AT&T to get a SIM card, and they said they could not get it to work. I'm in Georgia. I replied to them, hey, give me a few minutes. Hang on, let me figure it out. I have down here a few AT&T SIM cards. I have a couple of Cricket SIM cards. I have a couple of AT&T SIM cards, and I have put in here an AT&T, what is it, Go, or it's their prepaid, which works on AT&T. But I found the trick. So technically inside AT&T's system, the Nothing Phone 3A is not supported in AT&T's network. So let me show. So I have no data right there. It is an AT&T Go phone. It's like their prepaid service. In here, let me show you. I'll show you how to get it to work. So I have a prepaid AT&T SIM card. Jesus Christ, bad. AT&T Go phone, right? So I have a prepaid AT&T SIM card. I'm gonna put it back in here, and let me show y'all what the trick is. So if you go inside an AT&T store, yeah, they're gonna tell you, yeah, unfortunately that phone is not supported. Now, what you're going to have to do is sign it up online. So you can go to Walmart. You can actually go to AT&T and buy a SIM card, an AT&T branded SIM card, whether it's AT&T Go phone or regular AT&T SIM card. It can be either the prepaid or postpaid, but you're going to have to do it on their website. So here you activate your new prepaid account. So on the 3A. Now, what this is asking you, this is how you sign up for service. I input the number of the digits that were on the SIM card. So if you have a SIM card and it's got a bunch of these digits on there, see those digits right there? You got to input all those 20 digits up top. And then you got to put your IMEI number. Let me show you what happens if I put the IMEI number of this phone. So when you put in the digits on the SIM card, that's the SIM number, and you put the IMEI number from the Nothing Phone 3A in their system, this is what you get back. So it'll tell you we no longer support 2G devices. Interesting. I mean, this is not really a 2G device. Would you like helping finding a new one, meaning a new phone? No, I don't want a new phone. I want to activate this one. Well, here's how I got it to bypass in their system. And technically, it will work. So you go grab and look, I don't know if you want to do this or not. This is how I got it to work. So it's up to you if you want to do this. I'm just telling you how I got it to work. I put in my IMEI number from my factory unlocked Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And I put in the IMEI number and the SIM number from my AT&T Go phone and the IMEI from my Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is unlocked. And what do you know? It says, yeah, we support that device. So they're just checking your device to see if it's supported. Technically, the Nothing Phone 3A in their system is not supported, but you can get all you need is service to that SIM card you're putting in. So you can bypass this whole kind of roadblock by putting in an IMEI number from an unlocked phone, right? So once I did that, I'll show you what it looks like. And you can continue through the payment process, picking a plan, and then activating service. Okay, so now after completing payment, I'm blocking my phone number and email address down below, but as you can tell, active new prepaid account payment was successful. I purchased the AT&T Go Phone $30 per month plan, and I'm on the Nothing Phone 3A. So the trick is, don't do it in store, do it online, but another part of the trick is you're going to have to use a factory unlocked IMEI number, a United States unlocked IMEI number, meaning I used my Pixel 9 Pro XL, I used the IMEI 2, that's not being active right now. IMEI 1 in my Pixel has a helium eSIM in it, but IMEI 2 is not active. So I used that because, again, they want your IMEI number and they want that number that's on the front of your little SIM card. So I inserted the number on front of the SIM card, and then I also put in the IMEI from an unlocked Pixel 9 Pro XL, and it let me go through the setup process. Now let's see. As you can tell up top, it still has the exclamation point. So let's see if we can get that fixed. All right, so I simply restarted my phone, and now I have service, and I'm on AT&T. So let's see here. Let me show you. So after paying for the service, after typing in the SIM card ID number, and then putting a IMEI, not of the Nothing Phone 3A, but put in an IMEI number of another unlocked phone, and see, boom, AT&T just said, hey, welcome to AT&T. Wow. So that's how you do it. Don't go into the store. Go sign it, do everything online. Because they're going to tell you, oh, we don't support that phone. BS. They support it. So here's a test. I have a network analyzer. Let's go here. Yeah. Okay, come on now. AT&T. I'm on band number 2. I'm on 5G AT&T on the Nothing Phone 3A. So that's the trick. Do it online, and don't put the IMEI of this phone. Put an IMEI of it. It can be a Samsung unlocked. Can be Google. Can be a Pixel unlocked. Just whatever IMEI number. Now, if you don't have an IMEI number, if that's your only phone, you can even put the IMEI number of the old phone you're getting rid of. Or, you know what you can do? If you don't have an IMEI number, get on eBay, go find an unlocked phone for sale, and a lot of times they'll show an IMEI number of an unlocked phone. It does not matter. It does not matter. They just want to verify you have a US unlocked phone, and that's it. As you can tell, I'm on AT&T right now. So again, you can go on eBay, find you an IMEI number of an unlocked phone, and use that IMEI number. It does not matter. Now, here's the real test. I'm going to go outside and test this. Now, let me turn Wi-Fi off. See, I'm on AT&T. Let's turn Wi-Fi off. I'm going to go outside in AT&T 5G. I'm going to go test this, right?